Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson DC29. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson DC29 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power cable or a damaged internal component. If left unresolved, it may lead to further damage and could potentially be more costly to repair later. To get started with this repair, you'll need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a replacement power cable, and some electrical tape. First, ensure your Dyson is unplugged from the mains to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully turn your vacuum cleaner upside down, and using the appropriate screwdriver, unscrew the base cover. Make sure to keep track of the screws as you remove them. Once the base cover is off, you will likely see the power cable. Inspect it for any visible damage or fraying. If you notice any issues, you'll need to disconnect it from the main circuit board. Look for the connectors, and gently prise them apart without using excessive force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, take your replacement power cable and connect it to the same points where the old one was attached. Ensure the connections are secure and that no wires are pinched or exposed. Once everything is connected, replace the base cover, ensuring that all screws are tightened to avoid any rattling. Double-check that no tools or loose parts are left inside before flipping your Dyson back upright. Plug it back into the mains and switch it on to test whether it works. If the vacuum powers on, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly check your power cables for any signs of wear and tear, and avoid pulling on the cable when disconnecting it from the socket. Additionally, ensure your Dyson is stored in a safe place where it won't be accidentally damaged. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.